Tips of the week, guys. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you really quickly how I have it set up. So I have here for painting tools. I have math objects, so dices, anything that has to do with numbers, right? And then right here I have activities of the week. So right here, you're always going to pull out for them to choose from different things. So our first week is obviously going to be about letters. So because my 6-year-old's a little bit more advanced in just learning ABCs, we add activities specifically tailored to the development of phonetics, words, sentence structures, and also add fun activities for the little one as well to help out with fine motor skills. For that week, I will be incorporating different types of toys and items to be able to help them refine those skills, and they will be going into this box for the week. So for example, learning emotions, reading skills, numbers, and then later on we have adaptive tools. Adaptive tools are things like pointers, things to help with grip, erasers, anything, or even fidget toys can actually be adaptive tools because it is something that helps them concentrate. And then we have here for fine motor development, we have adaptive scissors, regular safety scissors, and then hole punchers to help with those fine motor. Here's also some other suggestions. Have a section for quiet corner, for quiet reading, or just having time and space for themselves while the other child is trying to learn or develop a new skill. Having a separate section for either the little one or the older one when you need that time one-on-one with your other child is very imperative. Here, having PECs is a good way to be able to do transitions, and having items to clean up after themselves teaches them responsibility and also necessary skills for the real world. So other good ideas is to actually have a whiteboard and a combination of a blackboard, preferably magnetic. So then that way you guys have more options to do all types of lessons and develop all types of skills and different textures for them to be able to write. Smoother is actually harder for grip. This is easier for grip, but you're actually developing multiple motor skills by being able to develop their fine motor specifically by using different types of textures.